Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey there, has this happened to you as well that you studied for a Microsoft exam, browsed the web, made a lot of notes and finally you book your exam, add your payment information and then you get this error message. The credit card payment option is not available for this order. If you need additional information, please contact customer service. Here is the error message that you are most probably familiar with now. So let me just give you a little background of this error message. So the problem is not with Microsoft. Basically Pearson is responsible for taking the test, and this is the problem with Pearson, that they are not accepting credit or debit card payments in some countries. I live in Pakistan and they are not accepting credit or debit card payments. So if you cannot pay, then how you can book your exam? The solution is to go to this website which is called mindhub.com, where you can actually buy vouchers for your exam. So basically voucher is a form of code that you're going to put at checkout, and this website is verified by Pearson, so you know that your details are secure. So the first and main thing that you need to make sure is to look at your country. Here it says United States. If you live in Europe, you're going to select Europe and then you select your country, because your vouchers are very specific according to your country. If you select or buy a voucher of another country, then you cannot book the exam. In my case, I live in Asia Pacific and my country is Pakistan, so I'm going to select Pakistan, and now this website will go to the Pakistani server or something like that. You can see that the URL has changed to global 4. Anyways, in here you're going to type MCP and just simply search for it, which is Microsoft Certified Professional, and the exam that I want to give is PL300, which is a Microsoft certification exam. Basically if I pass this exam, I'm going to get a certification. So if you're giving Microsoft Certified Professional exam, then you're going to buy the MCP voucher. Here you can see you got different ones: 50%, 25%, 100% and so on. So we're going to select the 100%, which cost is $80, so that you don't have to add any payment method at checkout. Its cost is $80, and if I go to the exam page again, here I'm going to select my country. In your case it's going to be different, and you're going to buy the voucher according to your country. The exam cost is 80 USD, which means that this voucher should work. The other thing is that here it's going to say the country names where this exam voucher will work, which is this and my country, which is Pakistan. Again, you need to make sure that you select the correct country from this list before you buy any voucher. So once you know that which voucher you have to buy according to your country, you're simply going to press on the add to cart button. Making an account on this website is not mandatory, but it is better. So if you have any coupon code, you can apply. Other than that, you're going to press on checkout. Here you need to enter your basic details here, like your first name, last name, address, your country, city, zip code, etc, etc. Here you need to add your tax ID. So if you have any, you can type it. In my case, I do not have any tax ID, so I'm just going to leave it blank and press on next. Here is your payment options. So this website only accepts credit cards, so if you have any debit card, then you cannot buy the voucher. So in my case, I didn't have my own credit card as well, so I asked my fellow to give or enter his credit card details. So actually he bought a voucher for me on his email address. The voucher was delivered, but I can use it. So here are the basic things. Again, all of these things are going to be according to your credit card. You're going to enter the email address, and this is very important because in this email address you're going to actually get your voucher code, so enter it correctly. Once you enter all your details including your credit card, you're going to press on next, and if the payment is successful, you're going to get an order confirmation page like this, where it's going to show you the details of the credit card, where it's going to be shipped. Basically it's going to be shipped to your email, because it is shipment method is digital vending. And here is the summary. So your voucher should be in your email within 2 hours. In my case it took 24 hours, so I suggest that if you do not get your voucher in your email within 24 hours, do contact Mindhub customer support. I will put their customer support email in the video description as well. Here is the email that you're going to receive from Mindhub. It's going to have your order ID, the product name, the main thing is this voucher number, which you should copy because we are going to use it to book our exam. So here it has an expiration date as well, so you should use your code before this expiration date. After that it is not going to work at all. I'm going to again open my exam page, and here I have selected my country. I'm just simply going to schedule the exam using the same process. If you don't know how to schedule your Microsoft exam, make sure to watch my video. So here you're going to have your payment page. You can enter voucher promotion codes on the billing screen. So for here we're going to press on proceed to checkout. Here it's going to show you your subtotal, tax, etc. Here it says add a voucher or promo code. So the code that we bought from Mindhub, we're going to paste it here, press on apply, and hopefully this should work if you have selected the correct code according to your country. Here it is going to show your exam name, so make sure that you have selected the correct exam. The language is English in my case, the duration of your exam, the appointment date, its location. So we're going to press on submit order. It says you are booked, my order number and email confirmation has also been sent. So what I would do is to take a screenshot of this page because it is important as it has all of your details. If you go down, you have all of those Microsoft exam policies and whatnot, and your test center location as well. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe